Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ron Jordan over at RJ Lang Sales. What we're going to look over today is FLIR Tools Plus and how to clean up these images to draw more attention to the problem areas that we really want to focus on inside of our reporting. When we have our images inside of FLIR Tools, typically they come in this auto mode if you haven't already done manual temperature mode on your camera. So you've taken the image, you've imported it into FLIR Tools Plus, and now we're ready to do reporting. Now we can change the level and span two different ways, and that's how we clean up that background. So if you know that on the bottom end you really don't care about anything that is, let's say, under 70 degrees, you can simply type in down here on the bottom end of your level and span, hit enter, and that cleans it up quite a bit. We can also use this level and span slider bar. So if you slide it from the middle, it changes both the top and bottom end. And as you'll notice on the bottom and top end, as I slide this slider bar, those numbers are changing. Now, if I just wanted the bottom end of level and span to change, I would hit that hot bar and do it like that. Top end, do the same thing. Now, you can clean this up a little too much. I like to leave some of the background in there just as a frame of reference, especially for somebody that is looking at the report that you're going to create and doesn't really recognize exactly what they're looking at. Drawing a little bit of attention, giving them a frame of reference is always important to get your point across. So again, this is in FLIR Tools Plus to clean up your level and span. And the top and bottom end, you can use manual input or you can use this slider bar here. In the next video, what we'll go over is these boxes here and showing the delta temperature and how we get all of that information over into the hotbar on the side for our report. Hope you guys found this video helpful, and I hope you like, subscribe, and share the video with you and your team. That way everybody's on the same page in all of your reporting standard operating practices. So if you have any other questions or you need additional information, feel free to reach me at rjordan@langsales.com, or feel free to give me a call at 724-290-0558. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.